7 days, no complaints. That's what I'm doing this week, and it's really hard. Oh shoot, I'm pretty sure that was a complaint. Try it, you guys. We're starting the week with a bit of relief. Stocks and mortgage bonds are both rebounding this morning after a really bad week. Last week, mortgage rates moved higher. The big driver was the weak demand at Treasury auctions, specifically the 2-year, 5-year, and 7-year notes. When demand for bonds drops, yields rise, and that directly impacts fixed long-term mortgage rates. On top of that, bond investors are getting increasingly concerned about the bigger picture. And what's that? The US has about $10 trillion in debt rolling over this year, a $2 trillion budget deficit, and rising global tensions, including the ongoing Iran conflict. Because of that conflict, oil prices are climbing, which adds pressure to inflation. And inflation is the main reason that rates have been really stubborn. Now, here's another way to possibly look at it, and the way that I am choosing to look at it from a strictly rate standpoint. While higher oil prices can push inflation up for the short term, it can also slow the economy down because consumers are spending more on gas and less everywhere else. And historically, when the economy slows down, the Fed tends to cut rates. So we're in this weird tug-of-war right now, inflation pushing rates up, slowing the economy, pulling rates down potentially. I hope so. Cross your fingers. This week is a big one for data. The jobs report comes out Friday, and it will be the headline event because the labor market is one of the biggest signals the Fed watches. Right now, mortgage bonds are up about 42 basis points, which is a positive sign for rates today. What all of this means for buyers, sellers, and real estate professionals. Volatility, there it is again, that word, isn't going away anytime soon. Timing the market is still risky, and strategy matters more than ever. There are still ways to win right now, whether that's structuring offers, using rate buydowns, or planning ahead for future refinances. I'll leave you with this for the week. Albert Einstein, in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. How about this one? Jimmy Dean, you can't control the wind, but you can adjust your sails. Have a great week.